Welcome back guys, what we got here is the Audew power bank jump starter kit. It jump starts your car, charges your smartphone devices, can be used for other car electrical devices too. The main feature of this powerful power bank is the jump starter, which I will carry out a test shortly. This power bank carries 20,000 mAh battery, jump starts 12 volt car batteries, and has a fast charge output slot. I love these kind of hard rock cases that secures your device from any damage or accidental switch-ons. Inside the case you will get a quick charge wall outlet adapter, a dual Type-C cable, a standard USB to Type-C cable, a cigarette lighter adapter socket, and jump starter leads. And finally you get a good detailed instructions on how to use the device, with most common questions answered. So it takes 4 to 5 hours to fully fast charge the power bank. It can charge the iPhone 6 up to 7 times. So for example, if your smartphone has a 4000 mAh battery, you can fully charge it up to 5 times. Now with any power bank, always check out the reviews before purchasing, because trust me, sometimes cheap power banks get sold online with fake battery capacities. And there are those that look pretty and expensive but don't live up to its expectations. There have been thousands of positive reviews on the Audew power bank, so I'm sure it won't let me down. Weighs in just over half a kilogram. Right, so what we got here is a LED torch, in and out charging Type-C port, output standard USB charge port, and your fast charging port. On the side you have a jump lead port, and you have a 15 volt output port for your cigarette lighter adapter that can connect to other devices. Hold down on the power button to switch on the torch. Click again to switch over to the strobe effect. Pretty much carries the same brightness as a modern smartphone. Now using the standard charge port, 1% used from the power bank gave me a 3% charge on the smartphone. Using 80% of the power bank on fast charge, and gave me 50% battery life on my smartphone, which I got the same amount of fast charge if I was to plug it into a wall outlet. Now that is impressive. Main feature on this device is the jump starter. Let's try this out on a 12 volt flat battery. It's straightforward, all you need to do is plug it in. Don't worry, the clamps won't spark up. Attach them to the battery on the right connections. It doesn't have to be a perfect grip, as long as you have a connection for the green light to come on, it should be fine. Now the power bank is on 68%. Now click on the boost button and you may hear a buzzing sound or a click. You have 30 seconds to start up your engine. Jump started in one go. If it doesn't jump start, then press the boost button again, then turn the engine on and repeat this process. So in one jump it took 10% of the battery life. It may take less or more depending upon the battery condition. I did carry out another test later on, and only 5% of the battery life was used. Overall guys, I'm quite impressed. A compact tool to juice up your devices or to jumpstart your car. Take care, peace.